Today, the chemical reaction I'll be talking about is absorbing CO2 with NaOH, and the type of reaction this is neutralization or double replacement. An example of this taking place is in Squamish, BC, where they use their technology to use atmospheric CO2 captured with their DAC process and combines it with renewably produced hydrogen to directly synthesize clean liquid transportation fuels. So DAC stands for direct air capture, and it's a type of technology they had developed that removes CO2 directly from the atmospheric air at an industrial scale. This type of technology does this in a loop, where the only main inputs are water and energy, and the outputs is a stream of pure compressed CO2, ready for use or storage. This system runs on a flexible combination of gas and energy. CO2 produced from any natural gas use is captured and delivered among with the other atmospheric CO2. The DAC looks like a very large air conditioner that takes in air from both sides. Both sides that take in the air have a honeycomb pattern on it, which is covered in a liquid solution called potassium hydroxide. The solution bonds with the CO2 in the air and creates a salt solution called potassium carbonate. Air goes in with about 400 part per million carbon and comes out with almost 3/4 removed, and the remaining carbon is turned into pellets. Something that could affect the rate of reaction is if certain parts of the machine begin to malfunction. Say the fans start to slow down. That would definitely stunt the rate of reaction, and the reaction may not even happen. But luckily, if that were ever to happen, there are many other components to this whole machine that could compensate for the lack of speed in the fan. So in conclusion, this whole process has been very good for the environment because they've been trying to create a clean fuel that will not contaminate the planet. And I strongly believe that their plans will come to fruition and they will achieve all their goals.